Ringphawon ta aju khamta ya pauping CMHA scheme hopok khami ainang soda Asha device launch sami haira NEEC Education Trust na ukruli education fair rungmi haira Mao NPF unit phungvuping party aina resign sa haira Lekhyang ngator aja the Tangkhul Express wipau Ringphawon Zimik in a pamidalay pau ping may sa ina nganang rumsa Chief Minister Health for All scheme with maramli awareness rani rungmi haira Chief Minister Health for All scheme with azingli shimli health screening sakami primary health care kala chronic disease management hikatatha yang khami with maramli district CMHACL aina tomokna enterprises private limited na rani ji mukhok khamina Rani Chui Kayawo Dr. Y Premjan CMHA na kahang ajukum sub center khani shohaira kachi hang itumi phasale kagaja kala magathe akutra khalaya kala akupingji hi atam le ngachaya kachi la hang ukrul CMO AS kapangring na kahang Chief Minister Health for All scheme wibang shimli chatke kachi staff ping patient le plungra kala kajat atam chitharan check sara da rada claping nawe ajarva apana ava awo aina da khuida mathalak aina service milo da chatki kichi staff ping jili kasat sanga ranye jiwi maso chingai SDO share sing na kahang shimle kajat staff ping wi khamatha service china health department ping wi mai khayang saro kuchila hang sanga CM Health for All scheme with maramle awareness khamiyai nang soda ranye jili Asha device la launch sami hairo launch ka sa ranye ji ukrul district hospital kachama pale khuikaya ukrul district li khale health and wellness center thurugli la Chief Minister Health for All scheme ji hapok mi hairo Chief Minister Health for All scheme ji na shimli kajat tharan ara Asha device kala akap kataila singlaga kajat yangmiu ki guchina shimli kajat rayang khami tharan kagaja naw pingna online and specialist doctor pinglila ngasan khuibaya da hang shimli kagaja rayang milaga non communicable diseases maman kabai kajat kaja kasa naw pingle community health officers pingna yangmi maronda hang Ukrul District Hospital Chief Minister Health for All Center ainang soda Delhi Medicine Center la shohaira da hang Chief Minister Health for All scheme ji NHM health program aina link saya scheme ji we azingli diabetes kathawe wang changda ari khlem aina la miya da hang aya we rani gazib jili world yoga day la mayon haira NEEC Education Trust na makhok mida aya ukrul town hall le tharada kathuruga education fair rungmi haira fair chili gazang aman mukhuimana consult kasala khalem aina sami haira career kagapangwe twitak katali ngachon mi khawai kala chui khamai wartam wiwang apam orsim kagapangle ngachon mi khawai da education fair chili India kala ayar ngalewe mathamai kap kachi colleges universities pingwe mila ungjanga Fair chili khara pingle application fee swita miro apom chili ngalangda admission na khwimi Education loan ko khwili la ngachon miro exclusive scholarship la leida makhok mena achonghon chanpau mishoka Education fair chi graphic era ML Career Point Acharya Hiping hina sponsor sakamina Chigatha Rani hi Senapati Jurachambur kala Imphal sakida leidalai Education fair chiwe akaya kasada class 12 pass sakahai katamnaw pingwiwang English aptitude test la rungmida katamnaw hang thurugna sharukhuya Ketil Excel Higher Secondary School we katamnaw Wintama Ningshan test chili mathamai kap da sahaira Alice Christian Higher Secondary School we katamnaw mathasem jingkhaina kakhane lijang kala MECI Explore Academy we shonmi shaizana kakathuma lijanga jiwi khuyui saman khareli lupa thing thara kakhane le lupa thing phanga kala kakathuma le lupa thing kuthumda ngaran mi haira test chili gazang mi phanga le consolation prize mi da Angel School we jingrishing Zingkai Savio Higher Secondary School we Kanting Hongre JNV Ramvu we Vinland Sophie Shang Shimre aina Khayami Shang Shimre kala JNV Jandilwi Themre John Mungre ashi phangana consolation saman samphanga NEEC wi Director Phila Zimik na kahang education fair chui manga aina katamnaw ping matailak aina 10+2 ping professional course khimamai khuirakala kachi hour hangjithei ngorok khawai awareness rani khuika khami kasana pass out students ping na exam katha kachungkha katha samphangra chuiwang athumli ka katom sada aptitude test china hapok khami akha sada room khamina kachi hi hanga colleges ngatei da we aina toppers phangara jangda katamnaw pinglila kharjan kasa atamla samphanga colleges ping state ngatei da we aina ralaga leida khlei scholarships kathawi maramlila taraka hangming rokhaira Mao NBF unit we office Phungwu ping party we aina resign sahira resignation letter chili unit chi we president aina secretary na kahang party leadership na principal le matung makanda saga haile maringa phachi Mao assembly constituency we Naka People's Front unit nala NBF president Dr. Shihojale Lejetsu central headquarter Kohimale Mayo Gachang Hangwada remedial measures khimiloda pog haina chia TRZ language manipulative role jitheda documentary shongjanla jithei haira Zilang we otsakchi party we principals le matung makanda kasana kachi hi hanga letter chili kahang Manipur NBF unit with seniority list li kashokle NBF central president na candidate L Diko hi senior samai kapada phongmi ka haina kachi hi hangda ministerial position wiwangla Diko li kharesa da haiki kachina da hanga Kha chima thala dikholi mangi lakla serial number 2 li tang saklaga chiwi thili khi khanga san kha malela serial number 2 we ainala khushok li hawada Mao NBF unit phungwu we resignation letter chili maring pha phongshaka NBF central leadership we aina khi ka hangra ra da honsai kha kachangkhat mahangra thu wa da hanga Chida the sada 48 Mao Assembly Constituency we office Phungwu kala workers pingna party leadership hi mamushung khuli pai mara kachi phaning khuida Naga People's Front we aina resign saga haina da hang Ukhrul District Sports Association UDSA na Makhok Khamit District League 2022 ajiwi tarik magada mati thang hapo guki da leidle kanju theng han chile team thrada akana sharo khuki da leidle league with matches Friday so thang aina Saturday kup thang mang ngariora da hang Ukhrul District League kanju thei khangariau le pha khamai khwirami khawai kakatong we akai akasa da exhibition match la ngariau chi thei ki da leidle Exhibition match chi district league chi hopok thangsara Ukhrul headquarters le ngashun pung akhale Manipur Sandosh Trophy team Manipur 11 aina Tangkhul 11 ngariau ki da leidale Hangda khle exhibition match chi ishi the Tangkhul Express with YouTube channel le live aina chi homira kanju theli ning ka sangnaw psycho rana team khani chi le ra ko homilo da UDSA na ngahot dale Ukhrul ADC with Small Town Committee na Makhok Mida Traffic Regulation Workshop Rani DRDA Hall le rungmi hera Rani Chili District Police ROH Chiphang aina District Transport Officer YK Ramana Resource Person sada mutuimia Anina khamutwili Ukhrul Bazar le kari singda khlaiping le rules and regulation thaiga jakjak laga chatlo kachi ka hang aina ngasoda kari ka thana uping psycho rana driving license leipulungra kala kari wi lairik paida lengsaklo kachi hi kari ka thana uping kala kari mupu ping le hanga ayen thelak aina chat khawaila hangchi theida kachi ka thana malip laga kari sing jat tukhuya kha court na lupa thingthara fine khuya kachi la hanga National Jingum Thrada T-shirt Magaka Kari Taugazat Pingle Lupa Ting Mugada Panga Fine Quira Kala Jingum Kutum Patop Lipamra Kachila Hangchiteya Transport Officer Nakahang Kari Online Register Masala Leaka RTO Office Lila Rang Hanlo Kala Department Ngajon Mira Kachila Hanga Kari Kakam Kala Chika Kangarok Kala Speed Rate Matada Yankui Kawai Hangda Kachikathana Ayen Kakai Kashokji Pailak Ena Tukui Kawai Ukhrul Police Department WhatsApp Group La Semkuida Ayen Kaida Kasa Kala Kachat Pingwi Photo Group Chile Upload Kasa Ena Ngalangda Tukui Shabra Kachila Hang Matingda Ning Shir Kawai Saluda Hanga Kazip chili long now kuchung kawi minganing ping rajang rok da ngasan khang rok atam la sam phang haira. Ukhrul town hi mathamui da maintain sa khawai wi pongli ngasan ngarum da rani ji mubung phalak ina kupsang haira. Ukhruli child protection system chatna da claim maramle khangasan khuika haira. FXP India Suraksha aina Ukhrul District Child Protection Unit na mukhok mida law enforcement agencies ping service providers kala NGOs ping changda national pingli magapha ka sawi aina ngak khami apong mi khoyor human trafficking kala child sexual abuse higada thawi maramlila ngasan haira. Atomna DRDA Conference Hall Mini Secretariat Ukhruli Gzibda Police District Child Protection Unit Child Welfare Committee Juvenile Justice Board Child Care Institutions NGOs District Legal Services Authority Hiping wi kathana ping mi thumrada chiko kada wazanga kala chili pau mi ping la wazanga. Ukhrul District Child Protection Officer Pabitra Thingbai Jamna Child Protection Wibang Leida Kle Ayan Maramle Paijitheya. Kala national pingli magaphawi aina ngak miki gchili otmurut khikhangi stakeholders ping police CWC JJB DCBU NGOs pingna sami kapai kala chuiwang services leida claimaram hangjitheya gazip jili FX BIS wi program officer A ungresu shangna thanda stakeholders pingna child protection wi maramle Take quick rock issues kala challenges kalai maramle khangasan atam la khuikaya. Ukhrul wi STBO MPS KH Sunil Kumar na ochot kushok report kasawi kan khana maramle hangsanga. POC SOX kathawi maramle la police aina judiciary wi alungli coordination khalai darga saya gujila ngasan haira. Ukhruli kushok POCSO kasang aina protection of children from sexual offences act wi cases being fast track court le mawamada court le kasangkha pending aina leidale kala chikathawe redressal mechanism le plungra kjihi ngazeka stakeholders pingchina ngasan khangarumi kapha thekuida quarterly coordination kazibla pambam chisada tahaira chili state le leida clay national ping safe kasa environment khurami khwai kasa le ot ungshung ka hai experiences kala challenges aina solution higatha hi ngasan ngarumra da hang FXP India Suraksha hi national level NGPO akhana Manipurli NGO china project Mukti the anti-trafficking otmurut khuimida human trafficking kala child sexual abuse higatha hi wi maramle 2015 wi aina ot sadale FXP India Suraksha na child line 24/7 the national pingwiwang helpline service la rungmi dale Lamgang tribe Shinawi Sari Jar Sen Nik da Chatkasaji Olish Nik Hohaura da Mingpho ngache haira Jandil wi MLA SS Olish wi aming aina haira da Lamgang Nagasnu Lop LNSL na Olish Nik Horror da Twitak ta ka haina Mathang Avavu Ngarawi Zimik Mion da Embellish Humane and Educare Charitable Trust Society na Rani Kwigakali MLA SS Olish Lamgangle Olish Nikwi Mingpho Jili Panglan Mihaira Embellish Humane and Educare Charitable Trust Society li ngashigda Shinalong LNSL sangda Tarau Jonu Jure Sirti Somoro Jothe Sumu Lam Kala Bijur Shono Rokhe Hiping Hila Rani Jili Wazanga Jar Sen Nik da Zatkasa Lamgang Sariji 1983 Kum SK Kundon Donnu Levono da Thamla Korean now Akana Lamgang Shinau Sanwiwang Kayagaga Mujut Jitheda Sem Kushokna da Hang MLA Olish na election ni Mathalak aina Khui Sam Kapang Kala Ngashan Sari Shaksada Manipur Assembly le MLA Ngapamwi Tuingashit Kukhui Thelaga Olish le Kayagashi Jitheda LNSL da Jar Sen Nik Ji Olish Nik da Aming Je Kahai Kasana da Hang Agnipat recruitment scheme li makhamya marlak aina phongshok lala scheme ji chatna phokhawai Armed Forces Service kuthumi Chief Ping Prime Minister Narendra Modi li samphangra da leya Horthangla Congress wi miping AICC General Secretary Ajay Makena Thanda Satyagraha Jandar Mandar New Delhi li protest sahira scheme jili makhamya protest kasale Bihar mangle rail kari sha phanga ka da cancel sahaira Mumbai lila rail reservation cancel sahaira rail kari thot kata kala public property saka kazam wiwang kai khawi tungle FIR la thasang haira sarkar na WhatsApp groups thumra da phanga kasalila ban sahaira grouping china T Agnipat wi maramle makhamusung pau ngayaw khami wiwang ngasam ngasa ka haina chia protest sara la union sarkar na Agnipat scheme hi salagra da leidale kala chuwiwang online mingchan kasa ajiwi tarik magada mati aina hapogura da leidale army lila Agnivirs recruitment rakhara marang kuchangne hapokhara da chisat mi haira kala Agnivirs saka da kharaping arihon protest kasa chile mazang mana da police na verify saka hai thimangle khuisanga kujila defense ministry na hanga Indian Navy la Agnivirs wiwang ajiwi tarik magada phangathang broad guideline chok mi haura da leidale Agnivirs batch with training ngaphai gjangle hapokhaira sara da leya batch khrele Agnivirs Tingutum Kwisangi da leidale chiwing chaile akhumuk shinau pingle kwisangra chia Agnipat scheme wiwang Central Shokarna Supreme Court le Caveat la thasang hairo Caveat kacha karot le suit application thasang lapai da karot na Caveat thagasang chile fair hearing milo da kupona lakhawak scheme chi reconsider sang sakhwai advocate akana SC le petition mi sang haira Department of Military Affairs Ministry of Defense le hangsang khawai committee semilo kchila bli chili po haira Retired Army Officers pingli langsan da Agnipat scheme chile ngacheran ngacheng saglu kala shokarna Agnivirs akhumukada phangamang Permanent Armed Forces le hosangki jihaukada taida khale akhum hangshini da phangale job opportunities post retirement leng saglu kchihila po haira Myanmar shokarna Manipur leha tarkhara hi key action ka mokhimi thuwa da chile maringapha United Committee Manipur UCM na Southern Kangla Ketli protest sachi the haira maram chiwiwang Chief Minister N Biren Singh kala Union Minister of State External Affairs RK Ranjan Singh lila memorandum misang haira da UCM with President Joy Chandra na hanga Chief Minister aina External Affairs Minister RK Ranjan maramji Union Government le hangmida kathagwi alungle kupsang mi haura da UCM le hanga haileya kha border pillars we maramji khika masami ranga chia border pillars BB 79 we aina hapok laga BB 102 aina tangda India le hale kashun we songjan leya kachihi Joy Chandra na hanga chiwi border pillar kai ka Indian leha shong kilometer akha kase sanghairo apam kai khaliwa border pillar se kilometer khani phanga shika kase jang kahaila leya da hanga UCM volunteers pingna maram chuwiwang protest sa da Manipur with hare ngak milo chi demand sahaira Andaman and Nicobar Island wiwang India shokarna Kabau Valley Myanmar le mika ka hai wiwang maring phala lake sana kala chita da sada Manipur wi leha Myanmar le miluigi kichi kasai na ka mapamara da UCM president hanga border pillars wi maram ji kathagwi alungli shokarna mayang sangmya kha chakshi khamai protest sara da hangmating haira kala border pillars maram mathar sang mirang lakha border fencing otla ngasam sang saglo kichi hi po haira Manipur State nala International Day of Yoga mayonda Yoga for Humanity kichi hina tukui sada indoor stadium Khuman Lambakle yarina yoga sakangrom rani akakhuikaya Rani ji Manipur Directorate of Ayush aina State Ayush Society na Youth Affairs and Sports le ngashigda mukhok khamina Chief Minister N Biren Singh kala cabinet ministers members of Legislative Assembly member of Parliament Director General of Police senior civil kala police officials kala katamna pingla rani jili wazanga United Nations General Assembly na yoga hi muchut khami samphang khangasagle Prime Minister Narendra Modi na sami ka haile N Biren Singh na maya khangai phongshoka Yoga hiwa achala khawi aina Indian we kharing kharagle changda raga hai akhana da Chief Minister na hanga Yoga hina immune system matha khang sakmang maningla self confidence la lengsak kala kapha ning phaningla khirami ya da psycho rena thang kachi da yoga hi sakwai salo da kasat sanga yoga wi kapha thekhuida ogutu wingale shaka hangshini da phangana Indian na thanda International Day of Yoga UN General Assembly li tag hai tu tagle kotoma da Chief Minister na hanga Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sambam Ranjana kahang COVID-19 mimau atam lila phasa kapha kala ning khamatha ina lekhwai kasale yoga na ngachona chia Prime Minister Narendra Modi na International Day of Yoga with Kanpur Mysore Bales Karnataka wi aina mida jila rani jili live aina chhomia
Dr. Helena Eye Care Center, opposite Raj Medicity, North AOC, Imphal. Dr. Helena Eye Care Center li surgery, prosthetic eye, contact lenses, artificial eye testing, frames, different fibers, glasses, hikathatha sapaira. Visiting hours na summerly Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sunday li na 8 a.m. to 12 noon na. Appointment Vivang 977-406-5535. Call Sami Pai. Katamnao bing wivang Pakhawai da Tangkhul Katamnao long Imphal na career guidance and counseling rungmigi da leidlay. Career guidance and counseling chi SS Career Solution, STEP, Nordis and NED Foundation ni ngashik da Mukhok Miki Kachina, Rani J. Ajuitarik Magada Pangatang, Tangkhul Avenue Community Hall, Imphali Rungmira, Imphali later clay Katamnao Ping Wivang, Rungmiki Kachi Career Guidance and Counseling Chile, 10+2 Kupkahai Tili Career Options for Arts, Commerce, Class Science Streamway, Pamikap Kachi Career Apong, India Le Some kapang top 10 highest paid career options higatatawi maramli ngasan mira. Admission aina scholarship wi maramli la hangchithera. Rani jili Silomi Sanjan Bamna career counselor Samira. Motivational speaker sada Wangkhai Rakpam Sriman Singh Zangdalai. STEP Nordis wi founder and director Waring Muiva. NED Foundation wi Michael Atumna Mutume Samira, Career Guidance and Counseling J, Katamnao Pingwi Wang, Kapang Sara the Zangkapai Saikorna, Shurokwing Saknai Laka the Tangkhul Katamnao Long, Imphal Hangchipuna. Lat Lushida Achui Kamataya Pauping CMHA scheme Hopok Kami Ainang Soda Asha device launch Sami Haira. NEEC Education Trust na Ukruli Education Fair Rungmi Haira. Mao NPF Unit Phungvuping Party na resign sa Haira. Achu Pao Henang Chang Haira, Pao Ngana the Clay, Natum Psycho Rally Ringapa, Kalakam Haya Zimisho, Saserano.